So today I'll show you how to turn your Gmail into a fully automated email assistant that drafts, replies, prioritizes messages, schedules emails, and organizes your inbox, all with just AI. By the end of this video, your Gmail won't feel overwhelming anymore. Instead of hundreds of unread emails, you'll see a clean inbox where important messages rise to the top. Replies are suggested automatically, and follow-ups happen without you thinking about them. This setup alone can save you hours every week. And I'll show you exactly how I set up this if I had only 30 minutes inside your Gmail. If you're a creator, freelancer, business owner, or professional, your inbox is probably the biggest productivity killer. You open Gmail to answer one message, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. This tutorial matters because emails steal focus, important messages get buried, repetitive replies waste your time, follow-ups get forgotten. By the end of this video, you'll be able to reply faster using AI-powered templates, let Gmail suggest smart replies automatically, schedule emails so you never forget follow-ups, auto-organize your inbox with filters and labels, build a priority inbox that works for you. Before we touch AI, we need to prepare Gmail properly. First, open Gmail and click Settings. Go to See All Settings. Under General tab, make sure Smart Compose is turned on. After it's being turned on, enable nudges so Gmail reminds you to reply or follow up. These features are the foundation of Gmail's AI behavior. Next, go to the Inbox tab. Set your inbox type to Priority Inbox. This tells Gmail, show me what matters most first. Next, for AI templates. This is where automation really begins. First, go to Advanced Settings and enable Templates. Now compose a new email. Click the three dots, then Templates, select Save Draft as Template. Create templates for brand deals, client onboarding, collaboration replies, common questions, polite rejections, follow-ups. Instead of rewriting emails every day, you're now replying into 2 clicks. Just a pro move. Write your templates using AI-generated text first, then save them. Now, let's talk about Smart Reply and Smart Compose. When you open an email, Gmail will suggest short replies, complete sentences, full paragraph completions, and you don't type, you press tab. This is perfect for quick confirmations, scheduling replies, polite acknowledgements, client check-ins. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Next, scheduling. One of the most underrated Gmail features. When composing an email, click the arrow next Send. Then click or select Schedule Send. Use this to send emails during business hours. Follow up days later, batch emails once, send automatically later. Combined with nudges, Gmail will remind you, hey, you never heard back from this. That's AI acting like a personal assistant. This is how you stop inbox chaos permanently. Search for an email type, then click Create Filter. So for example, newsletters, skip inbox, and label read later. Your inbox becomes self-cleaning. Now, we refine the inbox view. Priority inbox separates important and unread, stored messages, everything else. This ensures clients never get buried, deals stand out, low-value emails disappear quietly. You stop reacting, you control the flow. Here are power user tips most people miss. Use labels plus colors for visual scanning. Combine filters with templates for semi-auto replies. Use stars for action-required emails only. Batch inbox processing twice a day. Use search operators like from and has attachment. Archive aggressively. Gmail search is powerful. This turns Gmail into a task manager without extra apps. Quick recap of what you just built. AI-powered reply templates, smart replies and auto writing, schedule sending and follow-up nudges, auto filters and inbox rules. Lastly, priority inbox flows that surface what matters, all inside Gmail. No extra tools, no overwhelm. If I had only 30 minutes inside your Gmail, this is exactly how I'd set it up. Not to make email perfect, but to make it invincible. The goal isn't inbox zero. The goal is inbox control. Once Gmail works in the background, you stop reacting and start creating. Your focus improves, your response time improves, and your mental load drops dramatically. So next in this part, since you automated replies, filters, and priorities, so earlier in that part, you automated replies, filters, and priorities. But even with those systems, creators still struggle with context switching, emotional decision fatigue, responding too fast or too late, overthinking simple replies. This part is about controlling when and how Gmail reaches you, not the other way around. So, instead of checking Gmail all day, we set time rules. Workflow. Early in the morning, review priority emails only. Midday, batch replies. At evening, archive and clear. Use of this is stars for needs response today. Snooze for future action. Archive everything else immediately. This trains Gmail's AI to understand urgency patterns. Now, we layer context labels, not just categories. So for example, client-waiting, client-action, brand for negotiation, personal for low priority. Each labels represent status, not sender. This turns Gmail into a lightweight project tracker. Instead of replying instantly, open email, draft response, close Gmail, revisit later. Why this matters? Because for better tone, fewer mistakes, less emotional replies. AI-assisted drafting helps you respond calmly, not reactively. Snooze isn't procrastination, it's automation. So for example, Monday replies, snooze to Friday. Waiting on reply, snooze 3 days. Follow-up emails, snooze until deadline day. Your inbox becomes a reminder system without mental load. So just a pro tips, snooze beats reminders. Next, draft first, send later. Labels should represent status, not people. Next, archive aggressively. Trust search. Next, never reply twice to the same question. Lastly, let AI soften your tone before sending. In this part, you learned how to control inbox timing, reduce emotional replies, track email status visually, turn Gmail into a passive system. So for next part, most inbox systems break when volume increases. Creators hit problems like too many conversations, missed opportunities, over-automation mistakes, and losing the personal touch. This part solves that. Create 3 mental tiers. Tier 1, revenue related. Tier 2, collaboration and growth. Tier 3, everything else. Your inbox rules should reflect this hierarchy. Only Tier 1 emails deserve immediate attention. Use AI to rewrite templates per sender, adjust tone for clients versus brands, and add quick personalization lines. You stay human, AI handles structure. This prevents robot replies. Turn emails into assets. For example, save common questions for future content ideas. Brand pitches for negotiation templates. Feedback for improvement checklist. Email becomes input, not noise. So once a week, clear all non-action emails. Review snooze messages. Update templates and adjust filters. This keeps Gmail clean long term. Pro tips: reply slower, clarity beats speed. Templates should evolve monthly. Archive is your friend. Email is leverage, not obligation. Systems beat discipline. So at this point, Gmail should feel quiet, not empty, but intentional. Messages arrive, get sorted, get handled, and disappear without any friction. That's what automation's supposed to do. Not replace you, but remove unnecessary thinking. If you want more creator workflows like this, Excel, AI, dashboards, and automation, subscribe and check the next video on screen. That's the full Gmail autopilot system.